The Samsung Galaxy S24 is here, and it's packed with features that could make it the best Android phone of the year. But is it worth the hype? Today, we'll dive into the top features, upgrades, and any downsides so you know exactly what you're getting. Display and design. Samsung has done it again with a stunning display. The Galaxy S24 sports a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, giving you super smooth scrolling and vibrant colors that pop. The new slimmer bezels and slightly refined design make it look sleeker, and it feels great in your hand. Performance and processor. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 is powered by Samsung's latest Exynos processor in most regions, with Snapdragon for select markets. This boost in power makes multitasking and gaming smoother than ever. If you're into high-performance apps or games, the Galaxy S24 can handle it all effortlessly. Camera system. Samsung is famous for its camera systems, and the Galaxy S24 is no exception. The triple lens setup includes a 50MP main sensor, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide, giving you more control over the shot you want. Plus, the upgraded AI software helps optimize shots in low light or with fast movement, making photos even crisper and more professional. Battery life and charging. Samsung has upped its battery game, too. The Galaxy S24 packs a 5000 mAh battery, and paired with the efficient chipset, you can expect solid battery life, even with heavy usage. Fast charging gets a boost as well, meaning less waiting and more using. Software and customization. Running on One UI 6 based on Android 14, the Galaxy S24 allows for deeper customization. Widgets, app themes, and even lock screen settings can be personalized to fit your style. Samsung has also included new security features that make managing permissions easy and convenient. Connectivity features. The Galaxy S24 supports Wi-Fi 7 and advanced 5G connectivity, making sure you're ready for the fastest data speeds available. If you're a frequent traveler or need reliable connectivity, this phone is built to keep you connected almost anywhere. The Galaxy S24 brings plenty to the table, from its powerful processor and camera to its beautiful display and robust battery life. Whether you're upgrading or just exploring, Samsung's latest flagship offers something for everyone. Let us know in the comments if the Galaxy S24 is on your wish list. And don't forget to subscribe to Phonova for more deep dives and tech insights.